Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off notification on Skrill application using your smartphone. If you want to keep your notifications under control so that you can manage alerts, stay secure, and avoid unnecessary distractions, then first of all, open the Skrill mobile app and log into your account. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once logged in, click on your profile icon at the top left corner. This will open up the profile section where you'll need to click on the toggle button right next to turn on notification. If you have turned on notification, then you will see this toggle button on. If you want to turn off the notification settings, simply toggle off the button, and then after you do that, you will be able to turn off all the notifications from the app. If you ever change your mind and if you'd like to receive notifications from the platform, then you can always come back to this same menu and toggle the button on right next to turn on notifications. So that's how you can enable and disable notification setting on Skrill application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.